The idea now is to forget this environment. जो आप देख रहे हो, this streaming environment को छोड़ दो. What we are planning to do is bring upon, let's say, a movie star, a popular movie star of this language, this city. But I'm talking about people from Hyderabad. So the language that will be used would be Telugu. It will not be Hindi. I know my channel has more Hindi and other language speaking viewers than Telugu, but still, it's something that we want to start. Let's say I call upon a movie star and try to educate mass audience regarding esports through him. That's the idea. How it would happen is we all decide on a movie star, and we do some kind of a promotion saying that on so and so date, on so and so time, we'll come on stream. The movie star would do the own kind of promotion on Instagram, saying that I will be live with VLT Sentinel on this day, on this time, and I will also do it on my YouTube and Instagram on this day, on this time. It would not be a recorded speech, guys. It will not be a recorded speech. No popular personality has ever done a live stream with an audience like you. With an audience like you. Like 1,200 people watching and asking them live questions. That kind of an interaction never happened. So now I want to change that and bring in a movie star or bring in a popular personality who is not from esports. Absolutely not from esports. Till now, the perception is everybody knows about esports, but nobody wants to admit it because people are afraid of the social consequences of they being ridiculed, saying, "Itna bade ho gaye ho, why are you playing video games?" Maybe, dialogues like that. Are you a kid? You are still playing video games. So these kind of statements are something that all the people use at every time. So rather to avoid this ridicule comments, they don't accept that they are like gaming. I know many movie stars and popular personalities who play PUBG, who play Counter Strike, who like Dota, who are not in esports but they are successful in some other field. So now, this is the idea. Starting from next month, we'll not be in this environment. We'll take a proper studio with proper camera, lights and all that, with a proper production team, and it would be a live stream with you guys where you can talk. We will have a proper interaction. It will be about half an hour, 1 hour show where we will ask him basic questions like, what games does he like, how much time he spends on gaming, did he play any games in the past, does he like any games, does he know about esports, who are his favorite YouTubers, from esports background, things like that. And then we will transfer it to you where you can ask him questions regarding anything. So we plan to do it from August, guys. August mein kab hoga, who would be the first star, I will definitely let you know. But I see a lot of positive comments on this decision, so I'm hopeful that it would be successful. The idea is not to grow the influence of Velocity Gaming or VLT Sentinel, all that. The idea behind this is to have a broader range of people with a different community talking about esports. That's the only way you can spread the word. 20 years back, if a IAS or IPS aspirant tells that I don't want to study IAS and IPS and I want to pursue cricket or football or tennis, people used to scold him. Why? Because back then it was a social stigma that you have to study, you cannot go into this, it is not successful and all that. 20 years later, when we are here, we are accepting sport as a career option. After all this, here idea is we have people of different ethnic groups and also different work cultures coming here, talking to us, and talking about the thing that we all love, which is gaming.